Hey everybody, I am here in Portland, Maine, and I am at a lighthouse back here. Is that the coolest thing ever? And anyway, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about what we're seeing here. We have tons of rosehip. I want you to see this. This is so incredible. And it keeps just going on and on and on. And it's super cool because they're big and red and they're ready really to be harvested, and they have so many benefits. So they're great with as an anti-inflammatory. They're also great for heart disease. Look at that. And this is the fruit, and you can make a tea, you can make a tincture. It's just an amazing fruit. It's great for gastrointestinal problems. It's great for vitamin C, boost your immune system. And I read that it's 17% more likely to reduce blood pressure. So y'all, get you some rosehip. And they've got it growing like crazy out here. This has been a great vacation. So anyway, if y'all ever want to go to Portland, Maine, it's beautiful and the weather is perfect. Talk to you later.